Hey everybody, I was just reading about Michael Jackson's doctor being prosecuted for and that I hate that. Michael was a junkie in the tradition of all these Hollywood junkies like Elvis and Marilyn and Lenny. The doctor alone. I mean, it's like none of those people got prosecuted. Elvis' doctor didn't get prosecuted. He had some crazy hillbilly come after him, but he wasn't prosecuted. But you didn't see the government go after the Kennedys for Marilyn Monroe. I hate this. Then they got Jermaine Jackson, and he's written a book, and basically the idea is the misunderstood Michael. Well, he really loved kids, and he wasn't a predator or anything. No. People always build carnivals on their front lawn. I don't know about you, but when I come home, I want a carnival on my front lawn. It's outrageous. When you're 7 years old, you want a carnival on your front lawn. When you're 14, you want a girly bar in the basement. And also, he had a train that went from that carnival to his bedroom. A conveyor belt, I guess, would have been too obvious. He's like those people in Florida, with the orange trees. Like whenever he wanted one, he just goes outside and picks one. I guess, if he accomplished anything, he probably made a lot of those molesters jealous. They're probably all out taking song and dance lessons. Anyway, that's all I got to say for today. Peace.